Welcome to Volferta Group, a professional manufacturer of prefabricated housing solutions based in Foshan, China. Founded in 2016, Volferta operates manufacturing and showroom facilities covering more than 40,000 square meters, supported by a professional team of over 100 employees. Our Foshan facility covers 12,000 square meters and serves as the center for product development, quality control, and project management. From steel fabrication and welding to painting, assembly, inspection, and packaging, every production step follows strict quality standards. Under our Jeezoo brand, we focus on expandable container houses. Backed by our 30,000 square meter manufacturing facilities in Foshan and Hebei, we combine modern production lines, precision welding technology, and dedicated assembly workshops to deliver high-quality, expandable housing solutions for residential, commercial, and project applications worldwide. One of our biggest advantages is our 20,000 square meter outdoor showroom featuring more than 20 fully installed house models. Every house is connected to electricity and water systems and fully furnished, allowing customers to experience the real living environment. Today, our products are exported to North America, Europe, Australia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. From private homes and Airbnb units to resorts and commercial developments, our housing solutions have been successfully installed in many countries and regions around the world. More than just a manufacturer, we work closely with our customers throughout the entire process, from planning and customization to production, shipping, and project support.